declare that as far as you know, there is no lawful impediment to your proposed marriage with Monique Skippers, okay, here present, and that you call all here present to witness that you take Monique Rochelle Skippers as a lawful wife. You'll say, I do if...
I do.
Thank you. Monique Rochelle Skippers declares that as far as you know, there is no lawful impediment to your proposed marriage with Sydney Songezo Mayekiso here present, and that you call all here present to witness that you take Sydney as your lawful husband. You'll say, I do.
I do.
Every day waiting for you, darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000